Hello everyone, today I'm going to open this pool cleaning robot. I'm gonna replace my existing one with this one. Let's see what we got inside. It has a non-tangle cable. It is 50 feet. You can see it here. Let's see, we have instructions. We have the main controller. And this is the robot. Okay, now it's out of the plastic bag. So it has double filter system. It can be removed, and this is where the dirt goes inside. As you can see, there is a hole here, and from the bottom you can see that it has double hole. My existing robot only has one. I'm hoping that this will do a better job. So it has nice plastic rubbers here. They rotate and cleans the edges and the bottom. And same thing for the other side, for the filter system. We open from the bottom here, and as you can see, same exact setup for the other filter. It's a heavy machine. It's definitely, I had different version for my brother's house. I got one. It's doing amazing job, so I'm gonna use this on my above ground pool, which is like 32 feet. And this is the main controller. You plug this here, and it has like 3 cycles: 1 hour, 2 hour, and 3 hours. I wish it had a scheduler, which I got for another one for my brother's house. It had a scheduler. You can just schedule 7 days, 5 days, but this version doesn't have that. And you can run through like 3 hours. I usually run through 3 hours with my other robot. I'm gonna do the same thing and see how this performs. Let's see it in action. Okay, now I'm gonna let it sink. The first time it's going down. As you can see, it sinks. Okay, now it just started. As you can see, it's moving away. Now it's coming back. It goes back and forth. Now it's gonna climb on the wall. As you can see, it's on the wall. As we can see, it's just going up. Look at this, it's really powerful. It's just forcing itself against the wall and rubbing the edges with the plastic rubber around it. It's really good. This is how it looks like. It's been running almost like 2 hours, and only one side I'm just pulling out from the pool. As you can see, it's just filled up. Let me see if I can just lock the filter. As you can see, it's kind of halfway it filled up, and this is only one side. I will check the other side and empty it. Here is an update. It's been working and it completed entire cycle. As you can see, the bottom, there's no sunshine. You can see much better. Everything is clean. There is nothing on the floor. That's just floating on top. Like, there are some pieces. I have this bamboo problem here. The neighbor is the leaves keep falling in, and but I am really satisfied with this. Like, you can see the bottom is very clean. The robot is doing really good job. That's where the water comes inside, so that's why it's pushed out.